Hi, folks.
Hi, here's Sam Darwish. He is very nice and pleasant.
Well, we've been here. This is our second car that we bought here at Phillips Chevrolet. We love it here. We love the people. We always have good service, friendly smiles from Sam here. We've referred people here that have bought, so they must be doing something right.
People say I'm smart.
Yeah. He's very smart.
Okay, and we just purchased this car here. We are looking forward to some years driving this car, and I'm sure we'll make our next purchase here as well.
Again?
Yes, again.
She just traded 2010 Chevy Equinox for the 2013 Chevy Equinox.
Yes, same car because I love the car. Just a little upgrade. We wanted red. So.
And have a sunroof too.
Yep. Yeah, we have a lot of extras. Yes. Thank you, Sam.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks, guys.
Yes.